Hi guys, it's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center here in Abilene, Texas. Going to bring you another home that I really am impressed with. It's our Silver Spur 2 double wide, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home, just a little over 2,000 square feet. And man, is it ever open floor plan. I can't believe it. So anyway, I want to switch this around, show you the outside, and then we'll get started through an inside walkthrough. This is the exterior of the Silver Spur 2. We've done it with the ranch style exterior, the two-tone paint, the higher wainscoting, and the transition strip above the at midpoint on the windows. Gives you a really nice look with the double dormer over the top. This home's produced out of my Lancaster factory. It's got the 50-year warranty exterior siding on it. Lots of great windows. These windows are the dual thermal pane windows. You'll see the 2-inch mini blinds when we get in on the inside. If you have any questions about it, please make a comment and I'll get back to you. Hold on just a moment. We'll walk in and take a look at the inside. So we've just stepped inside, and this is what greets you: a big, open, lots of space floor plan. 2 living areas. Got the shiplap feature here on the wall in the second family room. Built-in entertainment center. Just a really nice open floor plan. For families that are looking for a larger house with more space, this thing just packs it in. We're going to start down here into the kitchen area and kind of give you a look at that. Complemented with a large dining area. So you can set up a big table here. Really pretty plank look flooring. Really like this attached island that's over here. Seating space for 4 bar stools. Power outlet in the end of the island. I like how they did the accent color with the countertops in here. You'll get to pick all your own countertops, built-in microwave, appliance packages. You can do stainless steel if you want to do that. The subway tile backsplash goes all the way up behind the range. Here in the island, you've got a complement of some additional storage. I'm just going to step over here and kind of show you. When you're here in the kitchen, you've got the view all the way through that family room. And when you turn, it's a barn door pantry. Going to walk over there here in a second. But you've got a second big living room. A lot of space for families that like to have friends and stuff over. This barn door rolls over, closes over the top of this pantry. This is a nice size walk-in pantry, complete with the ventilated shelving. All of the lights that are in here are the LED lights. Then this comes right back to the laundry room, and it's a nice size laundry room, full-size washer and dryer. You've got cabinets that are available to go above that if you prefer that, over the hanging shelf. And then there's a little nook back here for freezer space behind the door. Really, really pretty setup. Come back into the entrance to the master bedroom. I like what they did here with the offset entry. So you come into the master bedroom and then kind of turn the corner. It's a very large master suite. The overhead vents make it easy for furniture placement. Big dual thermal pane windows, 2-inch mini blinds. And it comes back into a really cool bathroom layout. Got a drawer bank. Dual vanities, dual mirrors. They've continued the shiplap accent in here. To my right is a 48-inch shower. So you got a large shower back in here. You can do the single piece shower if you want to. The height of the shower heads are good. They're up where they belong. Really nice presentation of this deep soaker tub. It's a 72-inch soaker tub. Again, the shiplap with the elongated transom window. And then you've got the commode kind of back here in a privacy closet. Has its own vent fan overhead. And then a good sized walk-in closet back here that goes way back in here. Anyway, lots of closet space. Just a really nice setup. We'll come back out of the bedroom. As you can see, a king-size bed, dressers, end tables, those things will fit quite nicely in here. Coming back up into the front of the home, you've got your living room again, that big barn door pantry. Look how much space there is in this thing. It just opens way up. Coming back down into the front family room, the entertainment center is a standard feature in the home. It's already pre-wired for TV jacks. It'll accommodate a really large TV. Got your storage cubbies on the sides. Then it comes back to 3 additional bedrooms. As I mentioned, this is a 4-bedroom home. Big bedrooms. I thought I had the light on in here. There we go. Big bedrooms for the kids. Again, the 2-inch mini blinds. Thing I really like about this home as well is it's got nice sized closets in the kids' rooms. All of them have the walk-in closets. You come into the transition area. Here, this is a cased opening that comes back into the guest bathroom. There is an option if you want to add a door to that. The privacy door into the shower. The shower and the commode area are separate, so you can close off the shower and kind of see the commode in behind the door. It's got the transom window up here, so you got natural light. But the cool thing is it's a dual vanity. So you've got a vanity pedestal to the left and another vanity pedestal to the right. So kids can be in, somebody can be brushing their teeth, getting themselves ready while somebody else is in the shower. And then again, these really large bedrooms. Sorry for the smoke detector chirp. And it comes back into another really nice sized closet back in here. And we'll come back over to bedroom number 4. Also really good sized bedroom. Overhead vents, the LED lights common all the way through the home. It's got the residential door casements in it. Another nice big closet to walk into for storage. If you'd like more information on this home or any of the others that are featured here on the channel, you can give me a call at 325-480-2014 or send an email to billw@oakcreekhomes.com. We're located in Abilene, Texas, building these homes out of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The homes are available for shipment to Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana. Be happy to visit with you. We do a lot of different financing options, different financing packages, and a lot of different layouts. So give me a call if you get a chance. Again, that's Bill Wilkins at the Oak Creek Home Center. Thank you for taking a look at our Silver Spur 2, and I look forward to hearing from you.